Welcome to another Forex forecast with Blue Pips Forex. I'm Francis, and in this video I'm going to be talking about CadJpy, making a full breakdown from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, showing the major levels of structures on all these time frames and how I'm going to be trading around them over the next few weeks. So this is the monthly time frame, and what we have right here is a situation where we had the price at support, and from support the price made to resistance at this point. From there we had this push lower again, another push higher, lower, higher, lower, and now we have the push I am climbing once again. So we can expect to see this price touch this resistance over the next few months, as the case may be. However, we know that we're on a downtrend on the monthly time frame. We can see that from this area we had an equal low with this previous low, and we had the lower high, we had the lower low, we had the lower high around here, we had the lower low, and this could be another lower high right here after the rejection which we expect from this place. So from the monthly time frame we expect to see the price hit this resistance first before we start observing if we see a close above or a rejection of that resistance, but we want to see a touch of that resistance. From the weekly time frame we have a market that has a range right around this area. We can see that from this area we had support, we had resistance, support, up, back to support, now at resistance, and then you can see that last week candle right here gave us a weekly rejection of that resistance right here. So the price rejecting this resistance, there's a high possibility that this price is going to drop lower. It could be maybe to this resistance around there before the move higher. It could also be a drop back to support before the next move to the resistance. But what we can see, what we can expect now at the moment will be at least a drop. We'll be identifying our targets on the daily time frame, but we can expect this price to drop a little bit. So that's what we have from the daily time frame. Okay, so from the daily time frame what we can see is that we have a market that has been on an uptrend, and from this area right here, from this area right here we had an impulse, we had a correction, we had another impulse, we had a correction, we had another impulse to this high right here, and we had this correction before this last wave higher, and then from here we had the price come back to support, give us a lower high around here. So now with this lower high what we can expect will be continuation down to this support. Also from this you can already tell that this is an head and shoulders pattern right here. If we should go into the line chart we are going to see it clearly. We have the right shoulder, the head, and the left shoulder. So from this area right now what we want to see is continuation lower to our overall target. This is the first daily target which we expect the price to get to before probably going lower. So this is all on CadJpy. What we'll expect will be to see a rejection of this area, this whole zone right here. So if we are going to see this rejection with a good entry reason, then we are going to be taking a sell trade with good risk to reward down to the first daily target at 80.41 over the next few days or weeks, as the case may be. So that's going to be all on this forecast. If you enjoyed it, do smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, also click on the bell notification to enable you get our videos whenever we upload a new one. Until we meet in the next video, remain profitable and have a wonderful week. Good day.